Well, it's a tough question. Uh, when we talk about Europe, we are talking about regions. There are so many regions in Europe that are different. Even in your own country, regions can be very, very different. And sometimes you have more common with some neighboring region outside your country than maybe some other region in your country. For example, in Croatia, you have northern regions and southern. Probably from the northern regions, they have more common with maybe Hungary or Slovenia than they have with the coastal region. So it's really like very natural to cooperate on a similar issues or challenges with regions that are maybe maybe they share these types of challenges same as your own region. So I would say that would be the reason why you should go outside even your own country and your own region to find maybe some common solutions or share ideas how to address these challenges. I know it's not easy. Well, I'm from national authority, so I don't have experience how to find partners, and we didn't try as a national authority to find partners. We are members of different networks at the EU level, so we can always cooperate with other countries in that way. But for somebody from regional level, especially if it's from stakeholders, it's not public authority, for them it's really, really hard. And I think that these types of networks that exist and that are supported by European Union can be really helpful for them. Also, we had some discussions like when we discussed at the level of MAs within macro-regional structure, and we have a network of MAs, and we discuss it how we can support stakeholders in finding partners. And one of the ideas was maybe to establish a database with all the interested organizations that would like to cooperate on a broader level, macro regional level, and maybe even beyond. So there are some options, but I know it's not very easy. Commitment, commitment, because I think that national authorities or authorities that are managing funds do not understand quite well what does that mean to have transnational cooperation, especially if we are talking about national authorities for mainstream programs, because I'm from ESF Managing Authority in Croatia, and sometimes we really spend lots of time explaining why we need transnational cooperation, why we need to go beyond our own country and to establish these types of cooperations, maybe goals and projects. I think that understanding is missing. So we spend lots of time discussing, especially at the political level, also because you have to explain we would like to cooperate. Because when you receive the money, when you receive the envelope, national envelope, you always say like that's money for my country. Why would we go beyond? We want to spend it all here in Croatia, for example. Maybe in other countries it's quite similar. I think that this type of commitment to this idea is crucial on a political level, but also operational level to all stakeholders, all people involved understand what we are talking about. As I said before, Europe is about the regions. So it's about networks, it's about building bridges, it's about common goals, common objectives, and common challenges. So you need to look beyond your own borders, border of your region, your nation, your state, and to seek this type of cooperation, because in essence, that's the idea of European Union, to help others, but also to receive help from others.